Hi there, I'm Tyler Winholtz. I work with some behavior students in Olathe, Kansas. Using Microsoft Word, I would have a project where the students of mine would pick an animal. It would be a simple project, just because I deal with some behavior kids. I want to keep it slow with them, but get them where they understand, give them confidence, and experience success. So we would pick an animal they like. I would help them pick the size of the animal, the picture that fits on their format, and the font. We would also work on basic typing skills as part of this project. I would show them how to center the title and obviously insert the picture. I would keep it simple, slow moving to avoid frustration. Once again, to experience success and some confidence in what they're doing. We would move together as a group, having answered any questions or any difficulties they have along the way. We would insert a picture. I think I previously said that. I would show them how to do that. That would get off the internet, and obviously on the animal of their choice, so they'd have the freedom to maybe pick something I like or pick something they want to know more about. But once again, I would keep it simple for them with a lot of encouragement to avoid their frustration, and I think it would be a successful project for my students with some behavior issues. Thank you.